Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at a piece of silver. It is a silver sixpence from 2024. It is a small coin, as you can possibly see. We have an envelope here for which you can put this card-like thing inside it. This is a card, basically, and if I just go in a little bit, there we go, we've got Charles III's portrait, we have the date of 2024, and this is called the wedding sixpence. I think if you get later on in the year, it's a piece of silver, if you get later on in the year towards December time, November, December, it becomes the Christmas sixpence or the pudding sixpence. On this side we've got some beautiful bouquet of flowers indicating and something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, and the sixpence in your shoe. That's a saying from one of the rhymes. There we have the specification. On this side, sorry, we have the specification, and there we have some flowers and an area for you to put in your wishes and everything else. So this is a wedding card with a lucky sixpence in it. If we go down to the actual design, we have, let me just get that fully there, I think we have, it looks like the Tudor rose surrounded by foliage around the outside with sixpence. You've got the year as well. So this coin is an update on the Christmas sixpence that they had out in the December of last year. And it's a very nice coin. I enjoyed tremendously, and I'm very happy to have it in my collection. It's small, it's a nicely detailed for the size that it is, and it's a small piece of 0.99 silver. It's not going to be worth an awful lot of money. Even in the future, it's not going to be worth a huge amount of money. For the weight and the size of it, you're going to have not too much value, and it never will have a great value, but it's more an aesthetic value and more of a collection value for me. I don't buy silver for trying to make a gain. I buy silver to put it into my collection, unless that's the case with this one as well. What do you think of this coin? Would you want it in your particular collection? I also have the 1p one, the silver 1p, which is one for a baby. It's called a baby's coin. And these two, they're both about the same size, both not a huge intrinsic value, but to me they have a collection value that's worth more to me than the silver value. It's just nice to have it in my collection. If you've enjoyed this video and you haven't done so yet, could you think about subscribing to the channel? It doesn't cost you anything, but do it only if you believe I deserve it. Also, it won't cost you any money to give me the thumbs up. Now, both of these things will go to help me be put in front of more people. I am looking to up my subscriber level from 250 at the end of last year to 425 this year by New Year's Eve this year, 2024, and I'm going to need your help to do it. I have approximately 289 I have as of the 10th of March. So I do need your help, and if you can help me out, I'll be grateful. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you so much for staying to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.